Welcome back everyone. So in this session we are going to understand about parallel and perpendicular lines in a coordinate plane obviously, right. Now let's say this is my coordinate plane x and y, and in which these are the two parallel lines. I hope these are exactly parallel lines, right. So these are two parallel lines, and what could be the relation between them, what is exactly we can deal with them, let's understand. Let's say the angle, the theta, over here the theta 1 and over here the theta is 2. Now as you will be observing, since the lines are parallel, so theta 1 will be equals to theta 2, that is tan theta 1 will be equals to tan theta 2, or further I can say that m1, the slope m1 is equals to m2, right. If there the two lines and they are parallel, then the slope of them will both be equals to a constant value, let's say m. And that was all about this parallel lines. Let's understand about perpendicular lines. Let's say L1 and L2 are two perpendicular lines. Let's say this is L1 and this is L2, and these two are perpendicular to each other, and this angle, since this is L1, so let us consider this angle as theta 1 and this angle as theta 2. This is obviously 90 degree, right. So what we have considered in our coordinate, this y axis, this x axis, two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Now there is one property that you should remember, that in any triangle the external angle, the farthest external angle will be the will equals to the summation of two internal angle. That is, let's say if this is a triangle, right, then this angle theta will be equals to a and b. This will be equals to a plus b, right. This is a theorem of triangle that we can apply right over here as well. That is, as you can see, this is a triangle in which theta 2 will be equals to 90 plus theta 1, right. Now if I take the tangent both the sides, that is tan theta 2 will be equals to, if see, if the angles are equals, then the tangent of the angles will also be equal, right. And tan 90 plus theta, that will be equals to minus of cot theta, and this will be theta 1 tan theta 2. And as you know, minus of cot theta will be 1 upon minus of tan theta 1, and this will be tan theta 2. If you are not able to understand how this minus of cot theta 1 came from, then you need to refer to your trigonometry lecture, in which it has been clarified how tan 90 plus theta becomes minus of cos theta, right. And if you haven't learnt that lecture till yet, so just cram this value up for now only. In coming sessions you will always be able to get it. Now this will be tan theta 1 multiplied by tan theta 2 is equals to minus 1, or further I can say m1 multiplied by m2 will be equals to minus 1. So what I am trying to say over here, that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the multiplication of their slope will be equals to minus 1. I hope it is clear. And similarly, what we concluded in parallel lines, for parallel lines, m1 was equals to m2. For perpendicular lines, m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. These two results you have to remember for this session. Thank you so much. See you in the practice class.